Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to upload an Act backup file to your Act CRM SaaS database. So when you set up the trial, frankly you most likely only have one contact in your Act database. So what we need to do is, especially for existing Act consumers, if you have Act software installed on your desktop and you want to get that data into the cloud, you need to create a backup, which my previous tutorial showed you how to do. But now that you have your SaaS account open on the screen, what you're going to do is go over and click on Welcome. And when you get to Welcome, you're going to go to the Welcome screen, and one of the options on the Welcome screen allows you to start this process of uploading your data. So one of the things I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to make it real time so you understand how this is working. So I'm going to click on Upload, and I'm going to go to this form that I need to fill out. So in this case, I'm going to type in my username, and if you bear with me a second. My password, if you have a password, put that in. Your zip file, you need to know this information in advance. And at this point, I'm going to type in my email address that I used to set up this account. And I'm actually going to put in another one so that I can make sure that I get informed when this data is ready for me to work with. Now, if for any reason you have any issues with any of this information, what I'd like you to do is, if this will not give you this option, you might have to go back to the original email you were sent when you set up your trial. And once you do that, you'll look and there might be a link there that says how to upload your Act data. You might have to go through that link first if this one doesn't work. So just something I've seen, and I'm not sure if maybe they've changed that, but I want to make you aware of it. Another thing while I'm here that I want to talk to you about is up here, it's saying upload an Act database, and that is a backup or a zip file. Here, you can also upload a spreadsheet. But I would say when it comes to spreadsheets, that's something you should get some help on, because all spreadsheets are different. The way you set up your data can be different. And the closer you can get that spreadsheet to mirror your Act database, the better. So at this point, I'm going to navigate and select the zip file that I want. I've put it on the desktop of my computer. And I have this zip file or backup file called Act Ice Cream. It's just a piece of software or a database that I use when training. So at this point, I'm just waiting for this to go through, and I'm going to stay with us real time here, and I'm just going to pause while this uploads. That's a fairly small file, so it's done. So at this point, because that's done, and I've got the green checkbox, I'm going to come down here and click on Complete Upload. Okay, so we now have this import your data into Act, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, right now, it is 2:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and my experience has been generally within about an hour, my database is going to be live. And what I'll do is when that happens, I'll come back and I'll record the next video to show you what to do next. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.